Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. Here hooking up the 2-channel Jensen. So we're not doing no aftermarket radio. We only just going regular way, regular amp hookup, regular speaker hookup. So we took the Dre Beats and just went off the speaker wires from there. Plus I'm gonna run that ground pretty soon. But yeah, we got a little work to do, and they're going to power these Pioneer 12s. Don't know what exactly model they is, but I got the models written down. They were featured on the video when I was installing my 8 gauge wire in my speakers. But this is a nice car. This is a sharp car too, y'all, by the way. But alright, I'll be right back. Alright, we back. Now this one is just wasn't as hard. Right now I'm gonna kind of like relax my back. You know what I'm saying? It's been a tough day. It's like my second time hooking up another amp, hooking up both Jensen amps in one day. So, but everything hooked up. You know what I'm saying? You got the ground, power, everything hooked up. Everything is already back here. Like I said, I got the converter hooked up. Gotta find the ground for that. But other than that, man, everything coming along good. We will be done. Should be back with everything hooked up, okay? As y'all can see, we got the amp wire. I'm about to unconnect the battery right now though, but got all the amp wire around the converter. I hooked it up to the bass speaker, so hopefully that works. And you got his ground running right there. That's the good thing about the charger. And then I'm about to pull out the fuse to create a remote wire. So, and we're almost done. So should be about probably like 5 minutes.
What?
10 minutes.
What?
And we should be done. I'm on a other than that though, moving along though. Be right back. All right, guys, we almost done. We almost done. You know, got all the wires tucked in. All we about to do is just hook the woofers up. We found a remote wire, and then we're gonna probably screw it down right there. There's more than enough room up in here. So let's get ready. Let's get it hooked up. You know, matter of fact, you know, just turn it on. Let y'all see how it light up. There you go. It's got the little lights on it. It's got the little illumination on it. But you can control it. You can control it by your phone via Bluetooth. But we anxious to see how it's gonna sound, y'all. So I might just get the woofers up in here, you know. Probably even end this video too, because I want y'all to check out the demo, the full-length demo later on. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.